We're on page 98 and it's 4.5. We're going to focus a little bit more on the subject and the object. Each part of this sentence has a puzzle piece. So this simple sentence, this would be the subject. So this whole piece, part of the sentence, is the subject. This would be the verb. And then this will be the object. Each piece inside has a name. So in a sentence, a basic sentence, the group, these are groups, the subject's at the beginning. The middle of a sentence will pretty much always have a verb. And at the end, we will have an object. Each piece inside the subject has different parts, and these have different parts. For instance, this is so inside the subject, all about Madison, Madison, the word, is a proper noun. And then inside this piece, it's the same, it's called a verb. And inside the object, they're receiving the verb. They're receiving the action from the verb. We know A is an article. And nickname is a noun. So when we write sentences, they're usually just big pieces. And then inside each piece, they have different kinds of nouns. They'll have a proper noun, a pronoun, or just a regular noun. So they'll have nouns here, nouns at the end, and then a verb in the middle. The next type of sentence that you will see a lot of in English is the subject, the verb, the preposition. Remember, preposition is about, in, out, on, under, at. So this is the location, right? Preposition. And then the object is going to be who is receiving it. He always talks about his children. So who is he talking about? He, the subject, who is he talking about? He talks about the children. Okay? So there's pieces that we can remove and then I'll put back in, but you can still make a sentence. This is always means all the time. About, and then his children is talking about him. So you could say, he talks about children, but it could be any child or children. He talks about his children. So in this puzzle piece, this piece right here, that's the subject. These two pieces are part of the verb, and I will break that down a little bit. About is part of the preposition, and then